Hello world, this is Upamanyu and welcome to screencast number 3. In this screencast we'll see how to create a graphical program with Turbo C++. Now, when Turbo C++ was created, very less graphics was used. The concept of GUI, that's graphical user interface, was not existed there. And 8-bit graphics were used. So basically we can't build very much of graphics in C++, but still what we can is pretty amazing. So this screencast will see to how to create a pixel program. So basically this program will just put a dot, a pixel in the middle of the screen. I mean, whatever coordinates are specified of the dot can be of any color. Okay, so this is basically what we are going to create. So let's fire up C++, Turbo C++. Okay, as you all know, Turbo C++ doesn't run in full screen mode in Windows 7, but the graphical programs for C++ need the full screen mode. So options are there. You can use DOSBox, a free program, to run C++ in full screen mode, or else you can start your computer in safe mode and then C++ will run perfectly fine in full screen. Okay, safe mode is the better option as per me, but as it had some recording glitches, I couldn't record in safe mode, but more or less I will use DOSBox. Okay, so let's create a new file. So in this we are not going to use IOStream. We're going to use the Conio and the graphics.h. Okay, this Conio.h, as you all know, is used for the clear screen and the getch functions, and graphics.h contains all the declarations for the graphics, whatever graphics is supported by C++ at least. So next we start by void main. This is a very simple program. It will hardly take us 5 minutes to write the program. Okay, the program starts. Now we will first clear the screen. Okay, next we will initialize the driver value. So what will this do? It will check, this will check the mode. It will check the mode, that is whether the monitor is in full screen mode, whether it is in sleep mode, whether it is turned off, or whether it is on. Basically it will check that whether this program has the suitable conditions for execution. Okay, basically it will check that. Now we'll initiate the graph because we will plot that point in a certain coordinate. It will have x coordinate, it will have a y coordinate. So for that we need a graph. Okay, so and driver, that is the logical address where the driver is stored, and the mode, driver and the mode. If their logical address are in true position, then it will have this directory called the ctc bgr. Okay, So this is the directory where the temporary files for the execution of this graphical program is stored. Now, why the 2 slashes are used? Now, backslash, as we all know, is used as an escape sequence. So backslash, if we enter only one backslash, then it will be treated as an escape sequence and not a directory path. So we have to enter 2 backslashes to ensure that it is treated as a directory path. Okay, now after terminating the statement, we will put the pixel. Okay, put pixel 300, 200. This is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate, and the color, we have to specify the color. It's white. Okay, next we put the function getStage that will wait for the user to press any key, and as soon as the user presses the key, it will get out of the program, it will quit, the program will quit. And next, last thing, close graph, that will close the graph. We had initiated the graph, this will close the graph. So that's the end of the program. Now let's check if there is any errors or not. Okay, there are no errors. So let's save it, the projects folder. I'll save it as pixel dot cpp. Okay, pixel.cpp. Now let me compile it. Now we'll say compile and make. So the pixel.exe is made. Now we will see that whether it is running properly or not. Okay, for that I open up DOSBox again. Okay, mount C okay, then pixel. You can see the small dot that is put on the screen. So this is the pixel that we were talking about. So with this we come to the end of the screencast. Thank you.